So I've gone vegan for 3 days before, but this week we're gonna do the whole thing, the whole 7 days. I used to eat a lot more meat and dairy than I do this year, but I am a big fan of like lean protein, you know, eggs. This week I'm just gonna take you guys along with me on what I'm eating throughout the week, challenges I'm possibly facing, and honestly just evaluating like would I wanna go vegan. I'm currently doing my research. There's a vegan YouTuber that I love watching, Ashley Wicca. She makes a ton of what I eat in a days, and she's been vegan for a while. I am not going to be going to Freely the Banana Girl for vegan advice. I'm just gonna watch like a ton of her videos, and I will see you guys tomorrow morning. I decided to wake up at 5 a.m. and make overnight oats. I feel like this challenge won't be too hard for me because I already make things that are vegan, like overnight oats. I'm gonna leave the recipe right over here, but I'm just going to make it now. I was too tired to make them last night, so I was like, I'll just make them now. It looks gross, but I swear it'll come out well. I just finished my first online class of this week, and I'm gonna go eat my overnight oats. I'm so excited for them. So I think I put too much milk. I'm gonna cut up bananas and put it in my oats. Bananas literally make everything so sweet. I love it. Definitely put too much milk, but it still tastes so good. I'll see you guys when it's lunchtime. I'm gonna have one of these little Macintosh apples as a snack. For lunch, I'm having a salad. I love making big bowls of salad and putting in my favorite dressings. I literally used to not eat any vegetables. So I think we've come a long way, and I think during this week, I will definitely be eating more vegetables on the whole vegan diet. If you find a salad recipe you like, you're gonna enjoy eating them. Y'all, that was so good. For snack, I'm having some Spindrift. I'm obsessed with the sparkling water, and I made a protein shake because my salad was pretty small and didn't fill me up much. My main concern with being vegan is protein is definitely like harder to find. You can find it in beans, you can find it in tofu, different sources, but it's just not as accessible in my opinion. Making a protein shake I think will definitely help me. My doctor told me that protein powder is not good for you, but I keep on eating it. For my vegan dinner tonight, I am making chickpea pasta. I'm currently boiling water right now, but I wanted to make beans. This whole day I've been cooking beans, but they're not ready in time for me to have dinner tonight. And I've really been trying to get into beans because beans is such a good source of protein if you want to go vegan. And I also want to clarify that I'm trying this diet for a week, but I'm definitely not the person to go to if you want to go vegan. Like I literally know nothing, but tomorrow I'm definitely going to be having beans because today my only like big source of protein was protein powder. That's not really it, but I would definitely be getting a lot more if I was eating like chicken or eggs. So good, guys. I'm currently helping my mom make some Chinese food while listening to a podcast. I unfortunately won't be eating the Chinese food because it has meat in it, which is why when I first wanted to go vegan last year, my parents were really not happy about it because I basically couldn't have any of their meals. Is my family really happy about this challenge or new lifestyle? Not really. So that's why I think that I would never go vegan. I mean, who knows, but I'm starting my morning off with some raspberry green tea. Math class is starting in like 1 minute. Okay, it just started. I haven't ate anything yet, but after my class, I'm gonna eat my vegan breakfast. I'm currently editing, and I always forget to mention this, but if you're enjoying the video, make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell. You gotta subscribe. We're trying to hit 300K. I'm actually so sad because usually I put eggs on my avocado toast, but I can't do that. Maybe the vegan lifestyle is not for me. I just feel like egg adds so much to avocado toast. I know there are probably vegan substitutes for it. Consider that.
Yeah, I cannot chase you, I cannot fly, I cannot make you, you make up your mind. You want me to prove it to you, to see what I lose. If I cannot.
I have volleyball in less than an hour and I'm super hungry, and today my beans that I literally started making yesterday are still not ready, so I really hate to be relying on protein powder. It's just so hard. Like I usually rely on like turkey breasts or eggs or chicken for protein. I just don't know what to do. Or like eating dairy yogurt for protein. I'm gonna try to put some veggies into my shake. I usually prefer using kale for like green smoothies, but I don't have any kale left.
If I stand here waiting, what you think
The art class grind. I'm so excited for school to go back into person. I just got back from volleyball. It was super fun. I got a great workout in. I still need to take a shower, so I'm a little bit sweaty. But I checked up on my beans and they're still not cooked. Literally, my mom and I have been trying to cook these beans for over a day. We make Asian food, so I guess we're just not used to cooking with beans. But I decided to go with some chickpeas because they come already cooked, some spring mix, and green pepper. So this is gonna be my little salad, and I guess the chickpeas serve as protein. There are a ton of them in here. And I'm also like super hangry, so all I want to do is eat right now. It's just been so frustrating with the whole like vegan protein issue. Alright, this is actually really good. I think I'm gonna make it again. And this literally took less than 5 minutes because I didn't have to cook anything. When I wanted to go vegan last year, I tried to convince my parents that going vegan was gonna make me eat more fruits and veggies. I would definitely say that if you want to eat more veggies, it's definitely attainable without going vegan. These past few months, I've been eating a lot of vegetables. I'm definitely not vegan. Day 3 of eating vegan for a week, and I just made some overnight oats. I made these because I knew today would be busy. I'm currently like filming my Halloween costumes video idea, and many outfits, many things to change into. Definitely a busy day for filming, so I'll see you guys when I have a snack or during lunch. Dates are literally my favorite things ever in this world. Filming, we're making good progress.
If I cannot find you.
Little editing snack. I love these small apples. This is one of the Halloween costumes I just filmed.
For days, losing
My mom wanted me to get some bananas. I'm gonna get a few that are mostly yellow for tomorrow. Is it bad to buy something that is made out of honey during this week? My brother took my camera and took some B-roll clips, so enjoy these. Wow. I am going to get some chickpeas because I have been having chickpeas these past 2 days. Chickpeas are a really good source of protein and you don't even have to cook them, so that's what I'm going to get. Just super simple and great for school. I got my chickpeas. I literally spent over $100 on groceries, which I really didn't expect. I know that some people say that being vegan is more expensive. Some people disagree. For dinner, I made some tofu dumplings that I bought from the grocery store. These were so good. I was not expecting them to be that good. As someone who eats a lot of Asian food and has tried a ton of different dumplings, I definitely recommend these. And I had some mango chunks for dessert. Y'all, so we're gonna do a dairy-free ice cream review. I love doing dairy-free ice cream reviews. This is coffee fudge swirl and it's made with oat milk. It is really good. 7 out of 10. It's currently 8 a.m. I'm taking a break from my editing grind. This morning I tried to make chia pudding. I think that it's coming together. It just needs a couple more hours to soak in. So instead of having my chia pudding, I'm gonna make avocado toast. For a few days I wasn't able to make avocado toast because I didn't have vegan bread. Literally, if I didn't go grocery shopping yesterday, I would not know what to eat today. That's like my main struggle with this vegan week is I don't want to think so much about what I'm going to eat. I don't want to worry about like protein, you know what I mean? And I definitely think it's just an adjustment. So if you were to go vegan, you would obviously get used to it, know what to buy, know what you need. It's just tough doing it this week. But this is the Dave's Killer bread. Vegan YouTubers love this bread. I love it too. I'm gonna toast. I'm also gonna have some vegan cereal with almond milk. This is my brekkie. I'm so excited. Guys, I literally don't know where my lunch and dinner footage went, but this is what I had as dessert while I was editing. On day 5, I had chia pudding as a mini breakfast, but my main breakfast was an apple with almond butter along with a protein shake. I really wanted to eat pancakes with my family, but the pancakes literally weren't vegan. That kind of broke my heart that day, but luckily it's the last day. So I'm gonna end off this video. I decided to only make this 5 days because 7 days just seemed a little too extreme.
You couldn't do it anymore? You couldn't torture yourself any longer?
We are going to reflect on this vegan week. Is this something I would recommend? I feel like this vegan week video, the first day it was pretty fun, you know. I'm like, oh, I'm eating vegan. But as the week progressed, the protein issue just got really frustrating. I know you can get protein from beans, you can get protein from different sources, but I believe that, well, chicken, you just, like, factually, you get more protein. Like, it's more protein dense than beans, basically what I'm saying. Those black beans that I wanted to cook. We literally, I think we threw them out because it wasn't working. But I will say there were positives of this week. I think I barely felt bloated. I feel like I just felt full, but never bloated, which is probably because of the non-dairy products, because dairy makes a lot of people bloat. I think that if you were to go vegan and you don't live in a house with other people, it'd be a lot easier, because if you buy groceries that are all vegan, you technically can't not eat vegan unless you're going out and buying it consciously. But in a house where everyone around me are like big meat eaters, you know, I'm constantly surrounded by different foods. This week I wanted to eat some snacks, some crackers, and a ton of them were not vegan that I thought were in the past. In my last vegan video, I said I was just eating a lot more vegetables, but I found that I kind of ate the same amount of vegetables this week. I usually eat a lot of vegetables even when I'm eating animal products, so I wouldn't necessarily say that was this big benefit. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Obviously, if you want to go vegan, please watch other videos or research more.